can find several programs for researchers on R Upskill, and you can get full access to these, as well as 90 plus other courses curated just for you with an R Upskill membership. R Upskill is the largest collection of learning programs for researchers, and researchers the world over are fast-tracking their career with the R Upskill membership that gives them unlimited access to webinars, workshops, and online courses. Become an R Upskill member today. I'll see you there.
Welcome to this course, Poster Presentations. During your research career, you may need to make poster presentations at conferences. This informative course on how to make a poster presentation will help you understand all you need to know to make your poster stand out and leave your audience impressed. Presenting a poster at conference is quite different from an oral presentation and involves both creating a poster as well as presenting it to your audience. This course gives you a clear idea about the different types and styles of academic posters, teaches you how to design a poster, and guides you on how to present your poster to your audience.